Using KWIM is easy and requires no special training. It is just like using regular WhatsApp but with some additional features. The first thing that you need to do to get your customers to reach out to you is via WhatsApp. For this, you need to have a widget on your website. This widget will have your number along with an initial message. So let's create a widget first and put it on our website. I'm going to customize this widget by adding my official business number along with the company logo, color settings, and a default message. Once done, we will need to add that script to the website. I have just done that over here on our demo website so that our customer can reach out to us with just a click. Now for the next step. As a part of our onboarding process, our team of onboarding experts will set up your WhatsApp business account and set up various parameters like account, WhatsApp business account ID, phone number ID, app secret key, app ID, webhook verification token, and access token. Once set, you will be able to choose business relevant templates and import them to your business account. These templates are curated to give your customers the most relevant information based on their transaction and based on the best practices of WhatsApp template guidelines. You can create your own template as well. Make sure you follow WhatsApp template guidelines and the template will get approved in no time. I have loaded some of the templates from the library so that we can quickly use it. Let's use our first simple template for greetings. We can also use free tags to communicate with the customers as well. The messages we send will be sent to the customers in real time and communication will be live. Now let's add and use a template related to order updates. Now this template is loaded. Let's make an order and send the order details to the customer on WhatsApp. Once an order is ready and confirmed, we can send the order confirmation automatically as well as manually. In order to show how easy it is, I am going to show a manual way. I am going to the action menu and then clicking on the action called order confirmation. KWIM can also send messages with PDFs as well. So let's send one order detail message with PDF. As you can see here, it can send all kinds of messages via the official WhatsApp API in real time without using any third-party tools. We can communicate with customers in real time as well. To know more about KWIM, get in touch with our team at 73 Lines.